Poul's Kitchen. This is Chef Poul. With me is Chef Amy.
Hi.
So today we're making, what are we making, Amy?
Big Macs. Oh no, we're making
Queso sauce. Queso sauce. So that's what we're making today. So this is one of my favorite little dips that we have. I like buying it. I like buying it a lot. It's good for dip. Really good for dip. We are making Big Macs, or we're not making them quite yet. So we're going to get the butter all melted down, and then we're going to put in half a bell pepper, half a sweet pepper. It went through the food processor, a little too strong. We've got 2 Roma tomatoes through the food processor. I've got a half a thing of garlic and a quarter of an onion. So I'm just going to put in some paprika, and some black pepper, because you know we like that.
Yep.
Unplug this because I don't need this anymore. And then I'm going to put my flour out.
Flour in.
Flour in. You make a little bit of a roux just so that we can make this nice and thick, because this is a sauce. Now, when you're doing this, we're using margarine, but you can use 3 tablespoons of. We're supposed to use 2 tablespoons of butter. I put in my tomatoes, my onions, my peppers, and am I leaving anything else? Yeah, yes I am. My garlic. So we're going to stir this around quite a bit here. You want to make sure you stir quite a bit, because if you don't, then what's going to end up happening is you're going to get some clumps of flour, and believe me, nobody likes clumps of flour.
No.
Just want to saute this. We're not even going to saute it very long. I got 1 package of quesadilla sauce. It's President's Choice, so it should be a little better. If you make this yourself, it's going to be so much better, because you're going to find that if you just buy from a can all the time,
Sugar or salt, I mean.
well, it's both of those actually, but it's also, didn't get to the food processor too well.
Ooh.
And you're also going to find another little problem too. You're not in control of anything. You have no control. And you want control. You don't know what other preservatives they're putting in, because it's going to sit on the shelf for a long time, right? So now this is chipotle pepper sauce. So we're going to put a can of that in here. Give it a little bit of heat. But you always want to stir things in really well. Alright, now I'm going to put a bottle of red enchilada sauce. I was trying to find green, because red is going to kind of kill the color of this.
But you couldn't find it?
Couldn't find it, that's all I could find. But not a big deal, I'm sure red will be fine. It'll be a little spicy.
Yeah.
When I say a little spicy, I'm pretty sure it's going to be extremely spicy. But that's fine. Oh, rich flavor. Now it's a cup and a half of buttermilk, but I don't like that. I'm going to put a little bit more in here. And you know what? Forget it.
You're going to put all of it?
I'm going to put a liter of that in here. It'll help numb some of the spice down. Which is good enough for me.
And make way more sauce, too.
Yeah, it will make a lot more sauce. And should also at the same time also level this out a little bit in terms of whitening it. Now I'm going to put a little bit of cornstarch in here.
To thicken it.
Yeah, because I'm not really. I think it's more milk than what I should have, or more milk than I should have. So now when you're doing this, you want to start mixing it right in, because you can still get, it's just like flour. You'll get clumps, and nobody likes that.
No. Oh, it smells good.
It does. And we haven't even got the cheese in yet.
No.
Now, if you're going to use a pan that you can stick in the into your oven, when you're done, you can actually take this and you can literally just stick this and put this in there and just bake it out a little bit. A lot of people actually do like this. Now, this is a whole block of cheddar habanero. Some people like using multiple cheeses, and that's good. All the more power to you. Put what you want in here, but just know this: the better quality cheese you put, the better it's going to turn out. You don't want to go out and buy something that's dollar store friendly, and then it's just crappy cheese, and then you come to find out and ask why is my queso so bad? Well, you're gonna have to use good cheese. You have to use good cheese. I'm not saying you have to go to the deli and spend a lot of money on deli cheese.
No.
Now, it's going to be a lot better if you do. The cheese will be it'll taste so much better if you actually did that. I ain't gonna lie, it really would. But it's going to cost a lot of money to do that. At that point, you're just going to start asking why you just didn't buy a bottle from El Paso or whoever makes it. And I wouldn't blame you either. But if you're looking to make really good quality, start at the deli. Yeah, you'll pay more because you do need a lot of cheese. Sit down.
Okay.
Now, before I start adding it in, you want to make sure that you're stirring it and getting the cheese melted that you already have in. And you want to stir slowly because I can go like this and my camera person's going to get splashed.
Yeah.
So we got to be very careful here, and we're almost done. Simple as that. It's really not that hard. It's actually one of the easiest recipes that you can do. Now the only other thing is Amy and I are going to end up fighting because she's going to want to hog this all. Who do we have here? Oh, we have this kitten.
Yep.
She wants to say hi. So let her say hi.
I did.
So here I'm gonna, now that I got a good boil going, I'm just gonna turn the heat right off because we don't need it anymore. We have a really weird situation going on with the cats right now. We have a lot of cats, and 4 of them aren't ours. But we're taking care of them because they're absolutely wonderful cats. So we're actually almost done, except for one little ingredient that I haven't touched yet, and that's the avocado. Amy is thinking it was guacamole, but no, it's only just. All right, so just gonna dump some avocado in here. I'm actually happy. I was a little concerned I wasn't going to get the right color or consistency that I wanted, but
It's hard with avocado.
the this actually looks right. It feels right. Now, Jess, I know you have this, so this is all right. But if you have low sugar or no sugar, or pardon me, no salt or low salt, you can use that. Oh, wait a minute, there was one more spice I wanted to throw in.
Cajun?
Nope. Nutmeg.
Ah.
I know it's a little different, but nutmeg is a really good spice. It's one of my favorites. So we're just gonna stir this up here and take a look. Oh yeah. This is going to be killer cheese dip. I don't even know what we have that in there. That's going in the garbage.
Yeah, I'll throw it out after.
It came from one of our other roommates that's no longer here, and we don't eat it, so I don't know why it's even here.
Yeah.
So this is it. So we're going to be back when everything's when this has had time to cool down, and it should just thicken right out. So when it's done, we'll be back. Before we do, please hit the like, share, subscribe button. Wish Amy luck because she's got a lot of dishes to do. Welcome back. Amy's just getting ready for a shift at Hooters.
No.
And Queso is done. So we got Alex here finally. For this time, he's not sleeping in. He had other things he was doing today.
I was at a barbecue.
He's at a barbecue. That's what it says.
I was.
So Queso's done. It's not perfectly thickened yet. It's going to take a little bit of time. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these into containers. We're going to put them in the fridge, not the freezer,
No.
the fridge. And we're probably just going to let this sit overnight, and it will cool down, it will thicken, and that's basically it. Now I'm afraid that Amy's going to have a lot of dishes to do, but I'm just going to take a quick taste test. Oh yeah.
Good.
Extremely. Sorry, Amy, but it's gotta be good on. So anyways, please hit that like, share, subscribe button. Please hit us up on www.poulskitchen.com. Don't forget to check our books out, all our recipes, everything's all on there. So, till next time, have a great day.